following area in New Hampshire, Cheshire. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 7 inches expected. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Cheshire County. When? From 7 a.m. Saturday to 6 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Additional details. Near blizzard conditions possible.
Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Eastern Standard Time Saturday night.
If you must travel,
Heavy snow expected.
flashlight.
Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour.
Specific location. Go to www.weather.governor.
Massachusetts counties.
Here is blizzard warning information for the following areas.
Blowing snow could lead to reduced visibility. Blizzard warning remains in effect from midnight tonight to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday.
You have 100 message.
24 portions of